object that the water is cascading from. If it's cascading from rocks, technically the water is transparent, but on a two-dimensional surface, we have to use the color that the water is cascading from. If it's cascading down the rocks, it will be the color of the rocks. So you need a mild version of the color of the rock itself. You need to convert that into values. And then you need to change that color to match. The water now has to have a light variation of the actual rock color itself to give that. It's how it is. It's
disinhibited. They are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological
psychodynamics, which is sort of like the interrelationship or the interrelation between the conscious, the unconscious, emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself, you have subliminal.
Autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been...
Stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented.
Emotional fluctuation. You have former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation.